All right, this is the Road Pro beverage heater. I bought this to heat up water or tea while I'm driving or riding in the car. You can plug this into your cigarette lighter or the plug, I don't know what you call it now, the 12-volt light plug. I'm going to do an unboxing of this. Before we get started, check the description part of the page for more information about this product. And I am just going to open this up just like this. Slide it open and pull it out. All right, here it is. So this is the water heater right here. So I'm guessing that I plug this in and then unravel all of this right here and then insert this inside of the cup of water that I try to heat up. That's my guess. And I'm gonna read the instructions before I actually do this, and so should you for your own safety reasons. But I'm really looking forward to using this on the road. I'm taking a long road trip, and I'd like to have tea or coffee or hot cocoa while I'm on the road. All right, let me know if you have any questions. By the time you see this video, I probably already have used this product. So I'll feel free to ask me any question, and I'll share that information with you. Thanks a lot for watching.